Hey, what's up guys? Wanted to go over a build that we just wrapped up for a local client. This is a 2015 Nissan 370Z manual transmission. He first came to us and had pretty much full bolt-ons, had intakes and high flow cats on the car, and we tuned it. Here we are now about 8 months down the road, and he's got our stage 2 single turbo kit. This is a very simple build, so this will basically be the same kit that you would buy online. If you were to go online and look at the stage 2 kit, you would see that it'll come with the 1050cc injectors, the 340 liter per hour Aeromotive fuel pump, 7-pound spring in the wastegate, and then basically the remainder of the kit turbo, which is a GTW3884r. And then all the cold side, the intercooler, everything that will come with the kit is basically what this client decided to go with. And so this car put down some very great numbers on pump gas. Put down 528 on 10 pounds and then 581 on about 12.5 psi on pump gas. So very respectable. It was a conservative tune for pump gas, so he can actually go out and enjoy this vehicle. We actually did something pretty cool with this car, and a lot of people are doing it as well. It's not a new thing or anything like that. We incorporated the boost solenoid into the ecutek, and he has different maps for different boost settings. So he's got his 10-pound map, then he's got his 12-pound map, so he can switch that on the fly. Also has some safety features on the car, and this car also does have a custom traction control map that we've incorporated through custom mapping. Other than that, other than this actual turbo kit itself, the car does have our single to dual exit catback exhaust. I'll play some video of how it sounds going down the road, how it sounds idling. I'll do a pan over of the actual single turbo kit so you can see how clean of an install it really is. It almost looks very factory with the way the car looks when it's all said and done. If you have any questions about this setup or anything like that, please do not hesitate to give us a call or shoot us an email, as we will be posting more of these builds. We have a couple more single turbo kits that we will be doing here in the next couple of weeks. We've got a stage 2.5 on a G37, and we also have a stage 2.5 with the Z1 Motorsports headers on a 370Z. So once again, if you're interested in a kit like this, give us a call, and we'll be more than happy to help you. Thanks for watching.